Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting units and precision, because correct units prevent costly rework later. Open a new file, name it clearly, and enable autosave. This protects progress. Import any reference images or sketches and lock that layer so you don't move them by accident. Once done, sketch primary geometry with simple lines and arcs. Keep constraints minimal at first to preserve flexibility. Make sure to save a backup copy before moving to detailed modeling. You now convert sketches into solids by using extrude, revolve, and loft tools. Choose the operation that matches intent, because each creates different edge behavior. Apply parametric dimensions and constraints so changes propagate predictably. Name key dimensions for later edits. Use symmetry and patterns to avoid repeating work. Once parts look right, group features and suppress non-essential ones to improve performance. Make sure to run a quick interference check before assemblage. You finish by adding filets and chamfers where needed, and verifying tolerances and wall thickness so fabrication matches intent. Generate 2D drawings and a bill of materials, then export neutral files like STEP or SDL depending on downstream tools. Run final checks, rendering to inspect aesthetics, and a quick simulation for motion or stress if applicable. If exports fail, delete temporary geometry and reassign units. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves mismatched scaling or corrupted export files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.